Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Faraway. This is a video update of the Avenger, the candy paint job. Right here, as you can see, came out really nice, really smooth. The camera, guys, doesn't give this paint job any justice. The vibrant color that it has, it's not picking it up. But you can see that everything came out really nice. I buffed the entire car. And it's ready. The car has been finished. It's ready to go. So let me just leave you guys here so you can enjoy this little video, and I'll come back in a little bit. Alright guys, this is another question that I've been asked several times, that some viewers only receive the Spanish notifications, some viewers only receive the English notifications. I make the videos, the same video, I make it in English and in Spanish, guys. This is my channel. What you need to do is, I have a lot of content. I got close to 270 videos uploaded. So what you can do, go to my channel and just hit the videos, hit the little video icon right here, and it'll take you to my page, and it'll show you every single little thing that I have. You can go down and take a look all from the beginning. Okay, that's one thing. Another thing is, you can go to the playlist, and on the playlist I have everything in order. As you can see here, I have videos on the Spanish videos. I got 72 of them. The candy paint jobs and the clear coats, the paint guns. I got a lot of things here. So that's another thing you can do. And if you're in the home page of my channel, if you go down, I have all the Spanish videos here. I have the paint guns here, the review of the paint guns. I got some other projects that I have done, and so far, so forth. So I have a lot of content, guys. So if you're looking for something in particular and I don't have it, just comment and I'll try to make it if possible. All right, guys. Another thing, just subscribe to my channel, guys. Once you hit the subscribe, it's gonna give you a little bell icon. On the little bell icon, just click it, and it's going to tell you if you want to be notified. Click all so that you can get notified on every video that I'm making. Alright guys, and this will be it for this video, guys. So guys, if you want to support my channel, click the link below and support it. There's other videos coming up, guys, and there's a pedal car that's going to be custom painted. There's going to be graphics, there's going to be metal flakes, there's going to be candy colors, there's going to be a lot of stuff coming up. So just stay with me, and have a great week, and God bless.